Tapos yung doctor dito or dito?
Ha? Kahit sa baba na lang. Sa baba. Huwag may tapat sa 6. Hindi, pwede naman. Pero isusog mo lang yung 1 mo. Diyan. Yung 1.
Bawasan mo na kasi 5 lang.
Oo. Tapos sabihin mo kung ano yung variable na P, ano yung variable na D. Yung sabihin mo patient, then doctor. Ganun. Ready, set, go.
Suppose doctors are asked to rank 6 patients, which is according to their physical health.
Kuya, magpapit nyo kayo sa kabila.
One of the two doctors is now defined as a reference. The patients are then sorted from 1 to 6. Now sorted ranks are matched with the ranks of the doctor. The patient who is in 3rd place with the reference doctor. And note whether the values below are smaller or greater than itself. For example, number 3. Number 3 is
Higher than 1.
higher than 1. So the 1 gets the value or the sign of
Symbol of negative.
some symbol of negative. Then 3 is greater than 4 is greater than 3. So the 4 gets the symbol of positive. Then 2 is then next 2 is greater
Below.
below and now 2 or 3 is lower than 2 is lower than 3, so it gets that negative sign. Now next 6 is lower than 3. Now 6 is greater than 3, so it gets a positive symbol. And 5 is greater than 3 again, it gets the positive symbol. Now let's get to
Go.
now we do the same for 1.
Each subsequent rank is made up of the class.
Pinakasama sa conduct award ni. Tapos yun na. O yun na! Ay, ni-nominate naman daw na ako. Kaso,
Kasi buong kasi yung buong picture yung nominate kasi kung agree pa sila.
May top right sa number 1.
hindi nasa subject pictures.
Here of course is subsequent rank is greater than 1. So we have a plus everywhere.
Sino pa?
Sino siyang gusto ng kaso?
At the last is and therefore choose.
At rank 4,
Kasi po, pwede sa
2 is smaller and And 6 and 5 is greater.
6 and 5 are great. Now we do this.
Now we do this on number 2.
Raise 2 and raise 6. Then we can easily calculate now.
Then we can easily calculate the number of concordant and discordant pairs.
Get the number of concordants. Yes.
We get concordant pairs by counting all the positive sides.
Virus.
Last, in our example, we have
In our example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pairs in total.
11 plus 8. We get enough discordant pairs by counting.
We get the number of discordant pair by counting through all the minus signs.
In our example, we have
Bilang mo Yes.
Wait, dadaan ka ako. Wait na.
In our example, we get. In our example, we have a total 4 negatives and 11 positives. Now, now this is for C and D is 4. Now, using the formula, divided by 11 plus 4,
Mas okay ng physical science kasi tayo lang naman ang basketball na mas oh, see? Iba na sa statistical na tayo
and we get a Kendall's law of 0.4. We get a Kendall's law of 0.47. Alternative formula for Kendall's law correlation. But this is for the next video, ganun. And also an alternative formula for Kendall's law correlation, which is for the next video. Listen.
Tagal nyo naman.
Thank you for watching our video! Yay!
Naman, wala pa ako nila sabi. Okay naman ba?
Naka-play ka?
Nagsasalsal.
Parang sasabihin. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.
Sige. Good luck.
Uy, sali ka dun.
Sabay tayo?
I don't like.
Span.
1, 2.
Wait lang.
Sige na.
Basta sabihin na naman, that's it for today's video.
Thank you.
Watching.
Oh, 1.
1, 2, 3, go.
That's all for today.
Oh,
That's
cut.
all for today's video.
Sige. Wow.
Saan kayo nakatingin? Tingin naman kayo dito ah.
Sige.
1, 2, 3, go.
That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.